Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting Excel tables to LaTeX tables. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find app, I'll click on search and type LaTeX. Then click on LaTeX table page. Click on Excel table to LaTeX and click on download. The file I will be converting while it's downloading, I can show it to you. It's Canada States XLS file. I don't have Excel, I just have Excel Mobile. It's a free version of Excel on my computer, but I can show you what the file is. So basically it's Canadian province or territory, code, and some data for both years. And I want to convert this to LaTeX, this file. And it's important that I close file before conversion, because Excel is locking file and not allowing other application to work this file. So I'll just close it. But I remember XLS file name. So you can see archive. I clicked on download button to Excel table, and you can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. Click on downloaded archive to open it. Double click to MSI inside archive. Click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher no. So just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish on final screen. Now I double click on shortcut. You can see application has been installed. I have a shortcut on my desktop. I double click on shortcut on Excel table to LaTeX to bring an app. Now conversion is, now I can close this, minimize this, close this. Conversion is 3 steps process. In the first step I have to select my Excel file with table in it. I will click to select input file, navigate to my file. Here is my file, Canada States, and then click on next step. Here I have to specify columns I want to bring to LaTeX. Sometimes it's like I have a large Excel file with a lot of columns, and I would just want to create table with a couple of them in LaTeX. So let's bring all of them, and click on next step, and on final step just click run. And here I have to select name of the file and location. My documents is okay. I will name file States and just click save. And you can see file has been created. And now let me bring over leaf, and so we will test the file. I will click on upload, select from my computer. Let's bring my text file, Canada States, double click on it. And here we go, we have our file. Just click recompile and wait until file will be recompiled. And you can see all states with all information here. I just have it's probably I have to make columns wider a little bit, so all information will be here. Let's make like province territory wider and click on recompile. So, and let's add change column name, province, and 2021, and click on recompile. And you can see table has been created from Excel and all data in here. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.